Welcome back to the channel. And it's been too long getting back. You know, kind of chilly out here. It's not as cold as it used to be, but what I think I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna put on some gloves now, and I think I'm gonna. Oh wait, them birds up there in the tree and they dropping shit. I was gonna say what I think I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna wash the side, just this side of my truck. But them birds up there, I might, yeah, I might still just do it just to get that off, just to get all this bird shit off, for it sinks in the paint. And then, damn, my shit up. Yeah, they doing their business. Like, y'all see that? Well, they told me up. Throughout the front fender and stuff. Never mind. Whole gang of birds just came in. Whole gang of birds just came and just popped up in the tree. I'll wait till later or something. Yeah, till they finna do their business. But yeah, so I'm just more motivated, even more motivated now. Doing my thing, Dizzle. And staying in my lane. That's all I can really do. Who is that? Somebody just sitting back there in the car. Oh, fuck it, I was actually mad. Fuck this.